Okay, we are out here in beautiful Phoenix, Arizona. This is a 1945 home with guest house. Great location. We're between 3rd Street and Osborne. This one is $1577 on the square footage. They have done major upgrades, including sewer, HVAC, roof, interior, exterior. I mean, it is a pure beauty, super unique. We are in Midtown, Phoenix. So great central location, lots of walking around here. That is your neighbors. All right, so we are gonna get ready to go in this bad boy right here. So the main house is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. And then you do have a guest house with full kitchen, bathroom, living space. Everything's been done. So you have gorgeous brick out here. This is metal, so it's brick and metal. So this is metal right here. And then you have that beautiful brick. It's in great shape. House is meticulous. You got this beautiful driveway. Can fit a good amount of cars right there. And the colors and the patterns that they use in this home are beautiful. You are going to love it. Right down to the lighting and the beams. Great job, homeowners. All right, so we're gonna head in right here. So this is your main entry. You have a foyer, they have new windows. They have smooth walls. This one has super tall ceilings. Everything about it is adorable. So there's real wood here. And again, we are in Phoenix, Arizona. So these are the type of homes that you can find out here in Phoenix. This bad boy is listed at about $750,000. Well priced for what you're getting. This is your foyer when you enter. Look at those lights. Amazing. And you have this tall area here. So this is your entry. Super grand and beautiful. And then this would be your bathroom right here. And they have this granite countertop. And then right here, they have the stand-up shower. Super tall ceilings. You have indoor laundry. And then this one has this really cool floor tile, which blends right into that wood look flooring right there. So again, super pretty, very well done. Has a very exquisite, expensive feel. You're gonna walk in here. So they didn't miss anything. This is definitely no lipstick on a pig. You have gorgeous, one-of-a-kind lights. Look at that backsplash. Super fun. So this is kind of like a cement look. I think this is a quartz right here. They did add it to the back wall behind the gas stove. And then there is your hood. And again, look at the ceiling height. Absolutely amazing. We have these cool cabinets right here. And those are glass front and they are lit inside. So they do light up. That's like the best at night. Just leave the kitchen lights on like that. Come this way. This is your cabinets. So the cabinets are a green color. And you have these amazing big drawers and dishwasher. So lots of room. This leads right into the family room. So you have a lot of natural light. Right here. And it's a pretty good living space. You have plenty of room to even add more. Another couch. Maybe a chair. I'd probably change the way they have it set up, but just a personal preference. And the windows are really cool. They're all black, double paned. So nice and efficient. You have this tall window right here. And what's cool about this backyard is you have all the landscaping done. So just landscaping alone, it can cost a pretty penny. You don't realize how much trees and plants cost until you got to start planting them. We learned our lesson. Moving out here, adding that into our budget. And right here we have this island. So again, they're using it as a 4-seater, which is nice. So it has kind of that industrial feel. Rooms are a great size. So they do have a queen size set up in here. And there's plenty of room around. Again, the nice tall ceilings. And then they do have these amazing, more modern closets. The full lighting in here. And then over here is your next bedroom. Another large closet in here. Again, these are great finds. IKEA. They have very similar products there. And this is another good size room. Head out this way. All right, so this is the main house. We are gonna head on over to the guest quarters. So you would leave the main house and you're gonna come out this way. So they did do steel beams right here, just an FYI, so you don't have to worry about replacing those. And then we're gonna come right here. And then this is the guest house. How fun. So they have a washer and dryer combo. It's an all-in-one. I love the red appliances. This is real brick right here. So super fun. Again, it kind of has that industrial modern feel to it, but still cozy. And this has those black glass doors. Let's see. Got lights right there, which is super cool. So these light up too. And how fun. You have a gas stove in here. It is ready. Coffee machine. All the fun stuff. Great space. Again, this is a large area right here. And you do have your own bathroom. Large walk-in shower. There's your sink, and that is adorable. So this house is definitely full of style. They did do an old school shower, which is pretty fun. But yeah, the person that designed this, they had a good eye. They didn't leave anything out, nothing untouched. They went through everything. This is a great space. Again, it's pretty big. They have a king size bed in here. I'm gonna come way down here. So you have this great space. They have the couch set up right here with the TV. Plenty of living. I do not feel squished in here at all. It feels very open. And then we're gonna come back here. So this is your beautiful backyard. Again, gorgeous wood. They did a wood look fan. These cafe lights out here. I am sure it's absolutely gorgeous at night. Must be a great place to entertain. Again, all this woodwork right here. You have real grass here. There are sprinkler heads. So, I mean, the grass needs to be mowed a little bit, but nothing, little landscaping won't help. It has been vacant for a couple months, it looks like. You have this metal RV gate, which is super nice. And this is how big your yard is. So right now we're in about 63.25 on the lot size. Fascia is in great shape. Overall house condition, it's in wonderful condition. It's a great location. Super cute, super fun property. We walk down here. So this area I cannot get into. I don't have the keys, but it's another guest house area. I'm not sure if you can see in there. Probably not. I'll try to get you photos of that. But what's in, it's a one room. I wish I had the key to get in, but I don't. But it's another one room area, just so you can see how big it is. So that is the front of it. And then this is the side. I would assume it does have electric in there. And then you have this little courtyard area. They have a fire pit set up over here, so that's a fun feature. This is the alley gate right here. So over here in this part, you do have the alleys where your garbage goes. This is the back. So again, this is a very private area, very private location. We're right in the middle of Phoenix, and listen, it is quiet. You don't hear a lot of road noise over here. It's a great little area. It kind of feels like we're up north, but we're right here in the city. I will get this on over to you. If you have any questions, please let me know.